Hey everyone, Alex from O'Brien. Today I want to quickly talk about anodizing titanium to create gold-shaded abutments like this one. So what does it mean to anodize titanium? Well, when titanium is exposed to oxygen, it starts to form a clear oxide layer on its surface. Anodizing is a way to add additional thickness to this oxide layer by essentially speeding up that process of oxidization. To do this, the titanium abutment is submerged in an electrolytic bath while voltage is applied. We use an anodizing machine to do this, which allows us to precisely control the amount of voltage being supplied to the abutment. And as that voltage is increased, the thickness of the oxide layer is increased as well. But how does a clear oxide layer make the abutment gold-colored? Well, when a light wave hits an anodized abutment, it actually gets reflected twice, once from the clear oxide layer and then once again from the titanium surface. This double reflection causes the wavelengths to interfere with each other, giving the perception of a different color. It's the same reason that oil on wet pavement causes the surface to have a rainbow appearance. So if I want to get a gold abutment, I would supply about 65 volts to the abutment. A little less if I want a lighter yellow color, or a little more if I want more of a rose gold color. Additionally, I could crank the voltage up to about 75 to get a nice pink color, which works well for titanium hybrid substructures. It's important to note that the oxide layer from anodizing is less than 1 micron thick, which means it won't have an effect on the marginal fit. I hope that was helpful information. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time.